How to set up an event in EventsFlare website. First, go to the partner's login, then log in to your organizer's login with your credentials. You just have to follow few steps to get into your account. Once you put in your login ID and the password, you will be into your organizer's dashboard. Once you log in, your dashboard page will open, then click on the create event option. In the create event option, you can edit the event title. And don't forget to add your event's terms and conditions. Now scroll down and select the event start date. And time, and then click on the set. Then you select the event end date and then click on the set. Then go to the browse and select the picture which you want to select for your event. Scroll down and from the select category option you can select the category of the event. Then from the venue name you can select the name of your venue. You can also edit the event title section, whatever title you want to give for your event. Like here we are giving XU Leela Palace Bangalore. You can also edit the description. And scroll down, click on the create event option. Voila, your event is created. The next step is to create a ticket for your event. So click on the create ticket option and then go to the ticket title, enter per couple. You are creating a ticket for a couple, so ticket price will be 0 as it is a guest list event. Then you can edit the ticket description. Then click on the create ticket option and your ticket for per couple is created. Now you want to create a ticket for per lady. So the ticket price will be 0 as it is a guest list option. Click on the more option and select the ticket description and then create a ticket. Your ticket for lady is created. Now we will create a ticket for a stag. Like if you want to keep the pricing as 499, you can keep the ticket price as 499. Then select a ticket description from the drop down. Then click on the create ticket and your ticket for per stag is created. Now this event is not public, so you have to make it public. Go to edit event option and select the drop down as public. Now scroll down and select the hashtags whichever is suiting your event, like we do in Instagram, and then click on the save changes. Event is successfully uploaded now. You can also edit your image if you want to. Just click on the browse and edit another picture if you want to change the image. Now you click on the dashboard and you can get the event URL from there and you can copy and paste it into the browser and you can check how your event is looking. So this is the way your event will look and it will be visible to your audience. EventsFlare website is very user friendly and it is very easy to use.